Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my second episode of Shaylee Tries It, where I try beauty products and services and give you my honest review. So today I'm kind of cheating just a little bit because this isn't the very first time that I'm getting this service done. I've actually gotten it done, I think twice in the past by my friend Sammy, who you are about to meet in a minute. But today we are going to tint my eyebrows and laminate them. So my eyebrows aren't too bad right now because I got them waxed about 2 months ago. They definitely need like a touch up, and I don't know, my eyebrows aren't terrible, but right here in the front, you know, there's not a lot there. So I like to get them tinted and laminated, and I love the lamination look. So you guys saw in the beginning of this video what it looks like. Now you get to come with me as I go through the process and I'll show you guys how it's done. So this is the bed that I'm laying on today. We have the little setup over here. This is Sammy. She's been doing my brows for like the last year and a half or 2 years, maybe year and a half, yeah. Yeah. What else do you do? What other services do you do?
I do spray tans, makeup, lash extensions, and that's it.
Yeah. Pretty awesome. You seem to be pretty busy. Yeah, business is hopping.
For the most part, we're going into the holidays, so everyone gets a little busier. It's kind of like a dip as people are like getting their kids back into like the school swing of things, and then picks back up, you know, as holidays start. So it's fun.
Cool.
Yeah.
And I just love, every time I come here, I love how you've transformed this room.
I know, don't pay too much attention to the corners of the walls, but this is my favorite color. So now I'm just gonna clean her brows.
Tingles.
Does it? So now I'm gonna take the perm gel and I'm gonna put it on her brows, and it has to sit for about between 7 and 10 minutes, just depends. Okay, so now that we have the brow lamination solution on her brows, we put saran wrap over it so that it helps keep the heat in and develops them, and all the hairs are like brushed up so that they're kind of like in the position we want them to be in. Okay, now we're just doing the neutralization cream. This sits on for about 10 minutes. It stops the chemical process from continuing, as well as holds the brows in place so that they kind of keep that shape. Okay, so this is the tint and it's already developed in this jar, so we're just going to go ahead and apply it, and I will show you what it looks like after it's on. So now we're going to develop, and I like to do one brow at a time just because it is dark and it develops fast.
Wow, they look so good.
Don't they?
Thanks, Sammy.
They're like the color of your hair.
Yes. Now they're very intense right now because they always are on the first day. I can't wash them until 24 hours from now, and then they'll be a little less dramatic.
So pretty.
But they are pretty. This is probably my favorite time. Great job.
Thanks.
All right, it is 2 days later and you guys get my fresh face with absolutely no makeup on. I love it. It just gives me a little bit of an extra something to my face, and it's nice because I don't have to really wear makeup when I have my brows done. And if I do wear makeup, it makes my brows pop even more. So it's a win-win at all times. Some frequently asked questions that I know I'm going to get. Number one, how much was it? It was $130, I believe. Number two is how long does it last? It only lasts 5 weeks. You could probably make it last till 8 if you're more careful about not washing near your brows, but for me, it's only lasted about 5 weeks. So it's not something I get often at all. In the past 2 years, I've only gotten it done 3 times. It's really when I just need like a little confidence boost, you know? So I hope that you enjoyed this video about brow lamination and tint. If you have any more questions about it, leave them down below in the comments. And if you live in Colorado Springs, you need to use Sammy. She's amazing. And I will see you in my next Shaylee Tries It. What should I try next? Let me know down below.